This cat door latch is so simple, yet so handy to have in our home. My husband and I have loved the benefits of being able to perfectly crack our door just enough for our cat to get through, but it also holds the door in place so she can't push it open further because she has figured out how to lean on doors to push them open. Being able to control the size of the gap that a door is ajar is so helpful in many different situations. It can help keep bigger pets out, but still give a cat access to get in and out. Specifically, if you want to keep your garage door open for your cat to go use their litter box, but you don't want your dog or maybe your toddlers to get out into the garage. And it's completely adjustable. There are 3 options on the doorknob side, and then 3 options for where you put this little screw in. So it actually comes with 2 Allen keys, the instructions, and this special little screw that you loosen and put in one of those 3 holes to kind of adjust the size of the gap of the door that you want. And it has this cute little cat face design on it. It just hangs on your door when it's not in use, and you pretty much just bend it and stick this little screw in the hole of your door. Anybody can open it from either side of the door, and it's very easy to get in and out of that little hole in your door. It's not like some child safety locks that are kind of tricky to operate. And even in some cases where you need the door to be cracked, but you don't even want your cat to be able to enter the room, you can set it so that it doesn't leave enough room for a cat to fit through, so that you can keep them out. Overall, this has been exactly what we needed to be able to keep our door ajar, but not completely leave it open. I could definitely highly recommend it.